hammerFall gravity-powered electric generator project. We changed out we swapped out the gear for a 5 on the small to a 1 on the rotation on the large gear, and we still have enough torque to power the device. It increased the speed a small amount. You could probably even go further. We're gonna definitely extend the lever arms and change the shape of the cog so that the point of contact is closer to this axis and further away from the fulcrum. Let's see, the no load AC voltage is I don't know. It's still wobbling up and down, or shift it. It's still not constant. Adding the flywheel should help with that. And the reason is sometimes 2 weights are falling, other times 3 weights are falling. And but the increase is let's see, low reading is somewhere around 40. High reading is somewhere around 50. So if you call it like 45 approximate average, that's that's as good as it's going to get for this configuration. But anyways, we can proceed with the next test, which is the gravity or resistive load test, and it'll give us some base numbers so we can compare with results from future modifications. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. If we run it at a higher voltage, basically this is I ran this for a couple hours, and it does warm up, but it doesn't burn out. It's a brushed DC motor, so at some point it will fail. So we're looking into possibly a large stepper motor. I'm not sure if they're continuous duty, but once the battery, if the system ever gets up and running and the battery becomes fully charged, you can have a circuit, turn the motor off, and then turn it back on when the voltage drops below a certain point. So there are all kinds of options we can do with the device, and we'll do the best we can to finish up as fast as possible. But the resistive load test will give like I said, a baseline number for something to compare to when we make future modifications, which will be increasing the speed and increasing the leverage. And oh yeah, we still have to swap the blue and white gear around. That will convert a lot of the energy that's being sucked up by the gear transmission and make it available for producing electricity. And we'll see how it goes. Right now each weight is I'm going to call it at approximately 15 pounds of falling force per per lever arm. So sometimes it's 30 pounds of dropping, other times it's I don't know, what is that, 35, 45, 50 pounds of dropping. So yeah, we'll we know where to make improvements, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. If you run it at about 16 volts, the wiper motor at about 16 volts, you get an improvement. High value is approximately 60, low value approximately I don't know, I'm going to call it at 50. So an average voltage around 55 volts. So that's another option as well to look into. Hey, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Cheers.